of rotation as well near Gardner, just south of Baldwin. That's where we have some wind potential, or at least damaging wind potential. We can see if these areas can tighten up, meaning that rotation can get stronger and possibly get down to the ground. But that is where there's a severe thunderstorm warning. The latest scan does show some improvement, which is good news. You don't see as many light colored greens and dark greens right next to each other. So that means that this storm hopefully is starting to lose some of its intensity. But this is generally what happens whenever you have a line of thunderstorms that, again, starts off as a squall line and then kind of builds down from, again, southern New Hampshire into central parts of Massachusetts. And that's what we've kind of seen this afternoon, that southern redevelopment to the line. And again, that's where we have the rotation, the southern part of that storm. And Pete, I mean, it's been kind of a wild afternoon when we've had thunderstorms across northern parts of New Hampshire that produced damaging wind gusts, possibly tornadoes. I guess they're going to have to send some survey teams up there. But this at least does not look as bad as it was. This isn't as bad as the tornado signatures that we're seeing in New Hampshire, Chris and Shannon, but we're going to continue to follow this. I mean, this is definitely a scary situation. We don't usually get a lot of tornado warnings in the Commonwealth, so you want to be sure you're inside in the lowest level of your home, away from windows. Keep as many walls between you and the outside as possible. If that's not a basement, it's a closet, it's a bathroom. So we're going to continue to follow
Absolutely, Chris, thank you. Yeah, it was just about through months in western Massachusetts, so it obviously happens around here. We are following this breaking news. A tornado warning in parts of western Massachusetts. I want to welcome you into the NBC 10 Boston News at 6 now.
All right, I'm Chris. I'm alongside Shannon Malaire. We continue to follow this for you right now. Our team of meteorologists are following this. Chris Gloninger is here in studio, and also meteorologist Pete Bouchard continues to follow this tornado warning. Now there was the one that was just about to end right around now. We have another one till 6:15. Let's go back to meteorologist Pete Bouchard with the latest on this. Pete.
All right, Chris. Yeah, and Chris Gloninger was showing us that tornado warning is now expired back through Amherst, Amherst, Mass, Belchertown, Mass to Ware, Mass, and this does have a little piece of Worcester County involved in it. This is our new tornado warning until 6:15. Right now, we're watching this cell right near Belchertown with possible rotation inside of it. We also have the cell that was up near Gardner that we're watching too with rotation as well. Chris was showing you that. Right now, that is a severe thunderstorm warning. It is not a tornado warning. Hail is also prevalent in these storms and a potential for them in Pelham, Mass, all the way to about Sunderland, Mass, and Shrewsbury, Mass, too. When you have a tornado warning, Chris mentioned, it is radar indicated, meaning we do not have ground truth. We don't know if it's actually touching down, making contact, and moving along the ground right now. We don't believe it is, but the potential is there for it to touch down. There's definitely